Any problems at all?
Could be better. Just came back from vacation down in Florida, saw my daughter. It was awesome. A little off my diet, being on vacation, of course, but my name's Rundee. I'm 60 years old. I knew that something was missing. I had been trying the healthy diet, and I've been trying the exercise, but it just wasn't enough. And when I called Dr. Tack, and I came in, and he suggested a few things, and he absolutely changed my life. It's a fact of life, guys. We all start losing our testosterone levels eventually. I mean, I was told they start going down in your early 20s. Well, you know, I'm no different. I mean, some guys are uncomfortable to talk about it. I'm not. You know, it's a fact of life, and I had lower testosterone. And Dr. Tack put me right back on track, and I just feel better than I can't remember when I felt this good. Yeah, it's absolutely life-changing, and you don't really know how far you've gone, how far you've fallen, until you start the treatment. And you say, oh, that's right, that's what it feels like to be 20-something again, right? Because we lose the muscle mass, we lose bone mass, we lose so many things. I don't know any other way to say it, is that he made me the best version of myself possible. I'm 60 years old now, but Dr. Tack put me back into my 20s. I used to do the protein, I used to do all that kind of thing that you buy at the gym. I don't need that anymore. I only do Dr. Tack's vitamins and a little bit of creatine, but that's it. That's all I need, right? And it just keeps me right on the path. And I don't see any signs of slowing down. In fact, I'm stronger now at the gym than I've been in my entire life, than in my 40s or 30s. My muscle mass is way high, my body fat is low, my self-esteem, my confidence, and my sex drive is through the roof. So, yeah. Dr. Tack, he's one of those guys where you'll say something, you mentioned something 6 months ago, and he'll bring it up. He's such a smart guy, but he really cares, and he really listens to everything that you have to say. So, he's always, how are you feeling? How's your diet? How are you sleeping? Every time you see him, and he knows and he remembers, and he's really interested in your program, in your growth. If I could say anything to Dr. Tack, would be, Dr. Tack, you're never allowed to retire, ever. Right?